Today we're in the tiny hamlet of Chollerton in Northumberland to see another St Giles, funnily enough, in the same diocese as St Giles of Birtley, which is not far down the road. And here we are at this interesting church, which has been much altered and rebuilt from the medieval building it originally was. And as we can see, has quite a large churchyard. And if you wait at the end, there's an interesting stables, which is quite unique in churches in the area. But let's go inside in the porch. And the first thing we see, yet again, similar to Birtley, is medieval headstones and Roman headstones. And going into the actual nave, the first thing we see is two fonts. The Roman altar one and the other font. And we have two arcades. Interesting, nice, clean roof. And interesting local artistry. And there we see the font again. The font is 13th century with a Jacobeanm cover. And as we can see, some stained glass. Quite pretty. And we're looking up the aisle there. And heading up towards the organ, which is quite pretty. And on the other side, apparently some of the pillars were possibly from Chester's Roman fort. And looking back down towards the rear of the church and the vestry. And I'll have a quick look up the south aisle. And down at the bottom is well, as we can see, the nice arches. And here is a little side chapel with some old stone headstones and monuments built into the wall. A nice lectern. And there's a little side altar. And some decorative tapestry there, showing the churches in the diocese. Bible stuck. And there's the old font, the Roman font, and the new one. And there's a hanging rood above the chancel. And there we see a small pulpit, basic, standard, nothing special. Some nice stained glass. And some interesting artwork in the back. Quite a paneling and wooden red rose on the east wall of the chancel. Some old gravestones. And some lovely artwork there. So the angels. And some wonderful wooden sculpture. Showing various biblical themes. And just some more artwork of angels playing instruments such as the drums and the harp. Some more stained glass yet again. It's really well detailed, but it's, as again, you've really got to get up there to have a good look. some more stone slabs. As we head back down into the nave. Outside, really pretty. It was quite a nice warm day. And some interesting, I don't usually go on about tombstones, but this looks an interesting one because it reminds me of one I've seen similar in larger churches at the back, at the rear. Person of substantial prominence within the church set back, and this is probably where some of the church originally was before it was shortened. Some lovely Northumberland countryside here, and there are some unusual and unique headstones. And there's a tower. And heading back down the steps on the right hand side, as we'll see in a minute, is the church stables, which is rare to see actually. I've only seen this a couple of times. And this is open, and there's a step onto the horses or carriage if you're a lady. And inside we can see there's some interpretation boards, and we can see the stables there at the back. So, hope you've liked this little visit to Chollerton's St Giles Church. And please remember to like and subscribe. It doesn't cost you nothing, it helps the channel keep going. So, bye for now.